Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sound effects on solo leveling game. So let's get started. First, launch the solo leveling game. Tap on the menu icon that is located on the top right corner of your screen. Find the settings option and tap on it. Go to the sound settings. Finally, tap on the mute button right beside the sound effects option to turn off the sound effects. Or you can drag the volume slider all the way to the left to turn off the sound effects on solo leveling. And this is how you can turn off sound effects on solo leveling game. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.